Hello, welcome students. Today we'll solve your query. Many students have query that's the tell me about the job opportunities, right? Job opportunities. You can say after BCA, okay, or you can say MCA, right? So today we'll discuss on this question of many students that are facing. Right, actually, one article has been written on my website, and I will explain in this video also that what to do. You can say as career scope option. You can say in job scope, right? Opportunities after BCA, completing BCA or BCA, right? So students, actually you can say when you complete your BCA or MCA, you can say eligible for jobs into, you can say, IT sector, right? IT, banking, or whatever it is, right? So you can say the main focus of all students, you can say, is in IT sector, right? So in IT sector, you can say into software development, right? It may be into software development as per the interest of the student. You can say the candidate that has completed BCA. Okay, BCA, actually especially this video is for BCA and MCA. If you need for BSc CS or BSc IT, right, job opportunities after completing BSc IT or BSc CS, then definitely comment below this video. I will definitely make a video on that as well for you students, right? So first is the software development, you can say. The second, you can say any support type job, right? That is application support or software support, right? That is into your PLSQL, mainly PLSQL, or you can say Unix, right? Or many other are there, that is WebLogic, okay. Many other are there, but you can say the mainly companies are into demand in SQL and Unix, right? Then Autosys or ITL certification, then you can say ServiceNow. This all portals, Putty portal, these all portals actually access or this all portal, you can say, training they used to give you, and you have to use for all type of server and monitoring app, you can say, works in a particular server, right? Then you can say third one, right? Third one, you can say into mobile apps development, right? You can say mobile apps development. This is also a important, you can say, trending job opportunities that is in boom after, you can say, the year 2012, 13, 15, right? Because you know that in a particular conference of Google, Sundar Pichai has declared that near about 3 billion devices are being using around the globe, you can say, Android devices, right? So as per this stats, you can make estimation that how much the career scope, the job scope into mobile apps development, right? You can say mainly it is on iOS and Android, right? So this, then fourth one, you can say stack developer, right? Stack developer, full stack developer, you can say into Java, full stack developer, like that. Then you can say cloud engineers, right? Cloud engineers, okay. Cloud engineers, cloud architects. Actually, cloud computing technology, you are very much aware that how much you can say it is working nowadays, that is AI, artificial intelligence, right? So this all. Then you can say data scientists, right? The sixth one, data scientists, right? That involved, you can say, merging of machine learning, AI concepts, right? So you can say software development, software engineering, software testing. Testing is also you can say one more tester. As a tester, you will work for an organization. You can say especially UAT, right? User acceptance testing, right? This is there. Then support is done, mobile apps development, then cloud engineer, cloud computing, into cloud computing and all. So these are the common, you can say, job applications, okay, that is being applied by a BCA or you can say MCA candidate. The difference is, if you have done you can say BCA, right, your salary and you can say interview, it depends on this, right? Because the aptitude and all you can say you can consider it same, right? But when you go further, they will ask you as per the masters. The interview will be as per like masters, and this as per like bachelor's degree, right? And the salary would be, you can say, between 10,000 to 14,000 per month, right, for BCA. And for MCA, you can say the salary would be around 22,000 to 28,000 per month, right, for MCA. That is, if you have done masters and you have good percentages, right, and if you score good in your interview rounds, technical rounds especially, then as per you can demand also, right? If you have done good in your interview, especially in technical rounds, then you can ask for more as well, right? The common, you can say 3 to 3.5 lakhs per annum, right? This, or you can ask for 4 lakhs, right? So this is the important you can say information that I shared with you regarding your you can say job opportunities. And the profile also I will share you what profiles, under what profile you will get. So what companies you can say top companies, now we will discuss over here, right? Top companies you can say for BCA or MCA candidates, so we'll discuss over here. The first one, you can say at the top, TCS, right? The second one, actually I'm not taking some stats from any website or you can say any perfect stats, right? Because the average boundaries of companies, you can say good companies, that I am listing over here, right? And it is not a promotional video for any company to promote their you can say levels or stats, right? So, to you can say recruitment process, okay? Not a I am not a consultancy agent over here. So the TCS, then you can say HP, right? Then you can say Infi, right? Infosys. Then you can say Accenture, better one. Then L&T. L&T is also a good one. They have you can say nice perks and incentive, you can say benefits. Not I am comparing with other companies, then also that I heard with L&T, that I am sharing with you, right? As my colleagues are also working to L&T, right? You have a chance to go on site also over here, and it is not a big deal to if you choose Accenture, you will not get, you will get, but then also, okay. Then sixth one, you can say CG, right? It's a good you can say it is a company that you can say have a facility of WFH, most probably, right? These all also have, but compared to these all, you can say Capgemini is a fab one, you can say, for work from home. If candidates or employees are into work from home, then they can, right? Then you can say Crystal is also one good company. Then I will not extend the video as much, right? Then Hexaware is there, right? Then you can say Deloitte, okay, and many more are there. IBM, right? IBM. Then you can say a smaller one, not a smaller one, you can say Clover Infotech, right? Then this all actually many numerous companies are there, right? But I have listed some top companies that I used to remember this, right? Else many other companies are all you can say there. Apart from this, you can say more 20 to 30 companies would be there. Actually numerous, there are thousands of companies, but some good and top companies you can say, right? Now you can say over here I will lastly mention the, you can say, job positions that you, right, job positions that you get after you can say being selected, you can say on the basis of your BCA or MCA degree. That is first of all a coder or a programmer, right? Then you can say as a web developer or software developer into a specified technology, right? Then you can say a tester or test engineer, right? That is actually previously I told you UAT and all, right? Then fourth, you can say cloud architect, right? Architect. Then fifth, you can say the most important, right, DBA, that is database administrator, right? DBA, database administrator. Sorry for this slanting writing, okay? Then you can say system analyst, right? System analyst. Then you can say Android developer or iOS developer, as I mentioned earlier, right? Then what else? Web developer, coder, and network engineer, you can say, right? Then you can say hacker also, in ethical hacking also, ethical hacking position also, many positions are there, or animator, right? These all, but this you can say this some top developer, support engineer, test engineer, or you can say programmer or software engineer type. These all positions you can say you can get after being selected into an interview round into, you can say, BCA or MCA degree after completing BCA and MCA degree. The salary actually I've previously only discussed, right? What salary would you get based upon your work experience, or if you have work experience then you can plus it out 20 to 30% hike, you can say. If you're switching to remember one thing, if you are switching to company A experience that you are working to company B, then you will you can say you can demand net growth of 30% of hike or 30 to 40% of hike. And if inside company, if you are the employee over there only, in-house company, then you can say between 10 to 15% the increment is there. That is promotion that we used to say, or we used to, you can say, get, right? 10 to 15% if you are in the same company per year basis. And if you are switching a company from company A that you are previously working and now going to a new company, then you are you can say eligible, or you can ask for a 30% or 40% salary hike, right? So students, this was all regarding your careers, that is job career options and salary and opportunities that being, you can say, for that being selected after you can say BCA and MCA degree. If you have completed BCA and MCA degree, a candidate has completed BCA or MCA degree, the job opportunities, the career options, the position, job position, the companies, and the salary details that I've shared with this video, right? And further, if you want, you can say I will definitely make for BSc IT, BSc CS, right? So till then, subscribe the channel, like the video if you like it, and definitely share this video with your friends, students. And if you have those questions, then definitely comment in this comment section below, right? Till then, thank you, have a good day.